how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. I'm so happy to be here. I hope that you are too. Before guys I tell you what we'll be doing in this video, kindly take a moment and hit the subscription button. Oh my god guys, tumekwama at 86 subscribers. We are not moving. I am worried, I am stressed, I am very heartbroken. I knew it will be hard, but I didn't think it was going to be this hard. So guys, please do me a favor. I am begging you guys, please watch this video. Please watch this video. Give it a thumbs up, and please, most importantly, please subscribe. Please guys, please subscribe. Yeah, today's video is going to be about washing my fridge. I was to do that in my previous video where I was doing cleaning. I was washing the utensils and things zikakuwa mingi, nikawambia guys I'll catch you the next day, which I did not, but I did shoot the video, so I'm just going to be posting it today. And sorry guys, Mahema. As I was editing the video, I realized it doesn't have an intro, and I thought, what a good opportunity to come and tell you guys to please subscribe. At least imwezi isha tukiwa 100 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm doing the most. Please you guys, mfanye the most. Please subscribe. Yeah guys, and let's head over to the other side as I wash my fridge. Enjoy this content and bye bye. So guys, this is my dirty fridge. This is the current situation. It's not very dirty, but it's been a minute since I washed it. Imekaa like kitu kama 1 or 2 months. Honestly, I don't know, but I think it's time we washed it. Yeah. So this is how it looks. First thing I'm going to do is to remove those glasses and wash them separately so that I can get to wash the fridge separately. So that is me removing the glasses the glasses from the fridge. Then as you can see, I'm using warm soapy water. The water is warm, it's not cold, it's not hot, it's just warm soapy water, and it really cleans well insides of the fridge and also the parts. As you know, warm water is very good with cleaning, and it's just comfortable to use, and it removes all dirt and stains that you want to get rid. So that is me just doing the thing, cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. You know, cleanliness is second to godliness. Yeah, I'm just washing it, the doors, the outside, basically everywhere. And guys, be careful when you're washing your fridge. Don't put so much water ifike uko nyuma juu. As we all know, electricity and water are not good friends, so just be careful. Tumia maji kidogo, don't use a lot of water, don't like deep clean mpaka uko nyuma kwa mawaya. So this is me washing the glasses, the parts of the fridge. That one specifically is the cooler. I use it in my in my freezer. It makes it cool. Hata stima ikipotea inaka around 8 hours. So that's a plus for me. Yeah. At this point, I'm done washing them, and I'll just wipe them with my kitchen towel just to make sure they are nice and clean and dry. So I'll just wipe all of them one by one very carefully. They are glass, you don't want to break them because replacing them will be another problem. going to go ahead to the inside of the fridge and wipe it just like I did with the other parts to ensure I have dried all the water to leave it dry and fresh. So guys, I am almost done, and finally I'm done. Then I'm going to head over right to the fridge and do the same. Wipe it dry with my kitchen towel to ensure that it is dry and nice and so good. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead to the doors and do the same. Wipe just to make sure it's dry. Then after that, I'm going to start putting back the pieces. Right now, I'm returning my coolant onto my freezer carefully and ensure that it is stable. Yeah. And voila, we are done with the first part. The freezer is all good, and I'm going to just add the rack that is usually on the side door like that, and look at that, clean and fresh and ready to be stocked. Yeah. Then as usual, we are going to start putting back the parts of the fridge, those glass shelves zenye zinakuwa kwa fridge. We're going to put them back carefully again because they are made of glass. We don't want to break them. Hatutaki hasara. Oh my god, hatutaki hasara. So I'm just going to do that with you guys. Yeah. That last part is the one that I usually store my vegetables. It's like a box, so it's really nice for tomatoes and hohos na kila kitu naziekanga hapo chini. Finally guys, I am done. Look at that. I am going to add the last piece, which is that one I use it to make ice cubes and store them in there. And look at that, my fridge is so clean and fresh, ready to be stocked. I am going to do a video stocking my fridge and showing you how I arrange my things in the freezer and in the fridge with you guys. So stay tuned for more, and tell me in the comment section, how often do you guys wash your fridge? Do you wash it after 1 month, 2, 3? You're going to tell me in the comment section as we interact. Also give me advice on how you arrange the foods in your fridge to make sure that they stay fresh and cool all the times. Yeah, we have come to the end of this video, and I'm going to leave you seeing how clean my fridge looks like, and I'm so excited. Bye. See you in my next one.